Good day to all. This is Amrithalingam Madhu. Today's topic is what will happen in case if you don't construct a house as per Vastu in the northeast corner plot, which is a Crorepati plot. Before move on to the topic, let's see quote for the day. Happiness is a choice, not an option. Thank you very much for your kind support and cooperation. We are about to reach 50,000 subscribers and more than 3,000 clients worldwide. We are planning to give 500 coconut trees in Dharmapuri, Indur and Sombati village on 25th April 2021. We request everyone come and collect coconut trees in Dharmapuri, overall near Dharmapuri. Thank you very much for your kind support and cooperation. Let's move on to the topic. One of my Vastu client called me on 5th April 2021 from Trichy, Tamil Nadu district, Tamil Nadu state. He sent me his house plan and videos. I checked his house plan and videos. There are a lot of mistakes, but his plot is excellent. His plot is a Crorepati, northeast corner plot, north facing, and there is another road which is coming from north and hitting a northeast corner T junction, which is an excellent plot. But he has constructed house. There is no Vastu rules he has followed. So what are all the mistakes in his house? Let's see. Point number 1, northeast staircase, which is the biggest mistake in Vastu Shastra. Northeast, never ever construct a staircase in northeast corner. Point number 2, main door is not in the front of the house. It is inside house, which is also non-compliance of Vastu rules. Point number 3, northeast mortar room they have constructed, which is below the staircase, which is also not correct. Point number 4, northeast staircase, and also they have constructed there is a room below the staircase. Point number 5, southeast toilet in the ground floor. Point number 6, southeast toilet in the first floor. Point number 7, northwest there is a shop with shutter. Point number 8, northeast north there is a gate, the negative side. Point number 9, south side having a more space compared to north side. Point number 10, east and west having a equal space. These are also non-compliance of Vastu rules. So what happened? He had a lot of issues, financial and health related issue, and father suddenly he died due to heart attack. So a lot of issues he was facing, and his brother had accident, severe accident. So these kind of issues he faced, and he requested me to check his house. I told there is a lot of issues, you need to modify as per Vastu rules. You need to renovate the house as per Vastu rules. So what are all the approach is the best approach to take a Vastu consultant? There are, see, if you are planning to construct a house, so there is a process. You will buy the plot and prepare the plan, making elevation and site support. There are 4 activities. Before buying the plot, you should approach the Vastu best Vastu consultant, take a guidance before buying the plot. After buying, for example, one of my client in Chennai, so he asked me about the plan. Before buying the plot itself, I checked the plot is excellent, and I gave a consultation to select a northeast corner plot. He selected. After that, I gave AutoCAD plan. You can see I have attached this AutoCAD plan here, just for your information. So we have to make a proper plan. The third step is I made a elevation drawing also. So these are all the process. Now construction is started, which is above basement level. he had a lot of doubts. I am clarifying. So now construction activities is going on. These are all the process. Okay. So when you are planning to construct, better to approach a Vastu consultant, take a guidance, do it properly, then forget. There is no issue, then you can do your work with the best way. So this is the best possible way to take a Vastu consultation. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.